John from Park Row has problems with upstairs humidity.
He cannot get it below 60%. That's his problem.
Okay.
John writes, I changed out AC units and last fall had 10 additional attic vents added to the roof for better ventilation. Who can I call to help figure out and solve this humidity problem? He's really concerned about it upstairs.
Okay, well, first off, let's start with the attic. The attic vents are fine. They're not going to change the humidity in the upstairs.
Okay.
Upstairs is warmer than downstairs. Mm-hmm. Warmer air holds more water.
Right.
Okay, so all the water's going up there, and I have a feeling that he probably has his thermostat set too high upstairs to save on energy. People do this a lot. If you have a second floor you don't use a lot, that doesn't mean you should let it get really warm up there because you are going to have a humidity problem. But 60% or less, 60% is not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, unless you're up there and you're just uncomfortable, I would tell you one of two things. Turn the thermostat down, get a little cooler in there. Mm-hmm. Or if the air conditioner is not dehumidifying, because some of the new energy efficient ones really, they run too warm, then you call someone like Absolute Comfort Air.
Okay.
Right? And then they will come out and tweak it so when it does run, it'll run colder as far as the coil goes, and you'll end up squeezing more air out of it because now you're using it as a dehumidifier. Mm-hmm. But don't keep putting attic vents in and changing windows and radiant barriers. That's not going to help this issue. This is a mechanical issue with your air conditioning system that probably, if it's new, just needs someone who knows what they're doing to tweak it.
I think he should put in new windows and remodel his kitchen and bathroom.
All of our sponsors. And yes.
No.
I agree.
No, Tom's right.
Put a pool in.
Worse,
That'll help.
It could be that even if the AC is working right, you're right. He may need a dehumidifier up there.
I don't think he needs a dehumidifier because he mentions that he has new air conditioners.
Right. Maybe it's not tuned right.
That's right. The new air conditioners are higher SCER. He didn't say he had a problem until he got the new air conditioners. So I'm going to assume everything was fine until now with the new systems.
Right.
Or he would have written us before he got the new systems, maybe. What do you think?
Maybe. Or maybe he didn't know we existed until he had the problem.
No.
And then he Googled expert home improvement help.
Yeah, right.
And went to the second or third page and found us. No. You got a question, do what John did.
Yes.
Go ahead and write to us. Don't try to figure it out on your own. That's what he's for. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom forum. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.